Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether your carrier or the Google Messages app is providing RCS. That determines which settings matter. Open Google Messages and set it as your default SMS app if it isn't already, because only the default app exposes full RCS controls. Once done, tap the three-dot menu, then Settings, and choose Chat Features. This brings you directly to the RCS controls. Make sure you've backed up any text you need, since toggling services can change message behavior. Now you disable the service itself. In Chat Features, flip off Enable Chat Features. This tells messages to stop using RCS and fall back to SMS/MMS. If the toggle is grayed out or re-enables, go to Settings Apps Messages, then clear cache and, if necessary, clear app data. This resets registration without deleting your carrier SMS. After clearing, reopen Messages, verify the toggle is off, and restart your phone to ensure the change persists across. Finish by handling carrier-level registration and a final refresh. If RCS remains active, contact your carrier and request deregistration of RCS for your phone number. Some networks reprovision automatically. You can also remove and reinsert the SIM or toggle airplane mode to force a network update. Make sure Messages is updated, or, if problems persist, try uninstalling updates. If nothing else works, mention that a full factory reset will remove stubborn registrations. Backup first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.